All right, guys. So, welcome. First of all, welcome. Very happy to have you guys here. And yeah, let's get started. So, we're going to start with the most basic thing, just because at the end of the day, I want everybody here to understand what it is that crypto is, what it is that we're doing, what it is that you're getting involved in. Any question you guys have, please feel free to let me know, either through the Telegram chat or through the YouTube, or I'm gonna have a chat as well posted where you guys could ask anything from the YouTube channel or the Instagram. Even though you guys could feel free to DM me as well, it doesn't matter. But yeah, like I said, I'm here to help you guys. This information is free. I'm not charging you anything. We day trade here. We do both. We invest and day trade. And I practically want to bring you guys along with me because at the end of the day, crypto's such a small market that there's still opportunity now for everybody to expand and grow insanely in the next 5 to 10 years. I'm talking about if you start now, a difference, like a big wealth gap. You know what I mean? It's insane how much opportunity there is in crypto at the moment and very undervalued. Practically the whole crypto market is smaller than, not smaller, but around the same size as NVIDIA. Let's say two big companies, NVIDIA and Apple, are bigger than crypto itself. So what does that tell you? If the future of money, as we consider it, the future of money, is smaller than two companies in the stock market, what does that tell you about the actual future of crypto? That is extremely undervalued. You know, I have a lot of buddies and investors, friends of mine that are telling me they're going to these conferences and there's going to be trillions of dollars being brought into the market, literally through a lot of VCs, through hedge funds, through ETFs, just a number amount of opportunities, just endless. You know what I mean? It's insane. It's how small this market is now. There's so much room for growth. All right, guys, let's just get started and I'm gonna go from there. So crypto is a borderless, permissionless system of money that doesn't have a third party. For example, Bitcoin is the main currency of the whole crypto market. Current Bitcoin is permissionless. What does it mean? If you need to send money to somebody else through Bitcoin, you don't have to get asked a million questions. Who are you sending this money to? What it is that you're sending it for? You know, that is, you know what I mean? At the end of the day, it's your money. If you want to spend it on something good or something bad, it's you. It's what you want to do. It's not what they want to control your money for. At the same time, it's a limited supply. What does that mean? That there's no ability for them to keep printing Bitcoin out of thin air. You have to mine it. Mining is another term for how they bring more supply into the system, how they circulate more supply. So practically the only way to circulate supply through Bitcoin is to mine it. So people buy these big machines. They're called Antminers. And what they do is that they connect these Antminers in these facilities, right? These big warehouses, these data centers. You could say something similar to that. These data centers, they plug these machines in, and all these machines do is run transactions for the Bitcoin network or mine new blocks. When they mine new blocks, what they're doing is that they're solving mathematical problems that are very complex and take time to break, you get me, what they're solving. And their reward from doing that, from opening that block, is the Bitcoin. And then that Bitcoin, the miner could either choose to hold it or to bring it into supply, which means selling it in a centralized exchange like Binance, Coinbase, Crypto.com. These are centralized exchanges. All right. So at the end, the only way to put more supply into the system is to have the miner sell it, or any other person, like let's say for me, for example, that own Bitcoin, to sell it back into the system and just trade it back for whatever it is, US dollars or whatever other crypto I want. It's not like dollars where you could just print on the thin air. You know, that's the biggest case that we have right now. If you guys haven't noticed, hyperinflation has hit us, you know, since 2020 till now. You could look at a bunch of different charts. You could literally look at, you know, CPI. And at the end of the day, grocery, gas, electric, kids going up 20-30%. Is it really true to what they're telling us inflation is going up by? You guys, you know, can make your own assumption, because I'm pretty sure everybody watching this has gone to the grocery store, has gone to get gas, has gone to do what they needed to do, and has noticed the big difference in how much, you know, pricing has been going up. So in reality, inflation is going higher. Bitcoin is to solve that inflation problem because it's a limited asset, a hard asset. You know what I mean? So realistically, if you look at crypto, you have to speculate because